In Azam City, you're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Please, thank you, Chair. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. We have no visitors. We take the people's hour. Please, President Chair. We proceed. Item number 5. Approval of the agenda for today. There are about 11 presentations or presentations. And I start with the first. As to enact resolution with the intelligence because mandatory representative acting station process activities responding by the examination. Second resolution is for us to enact resolution approving the 12 data mission for September 2024 report survey. The 15th Cities Authority Ibrahim Manaka for the period 11 to 10 September 2024. Third, written request is for us to pass a resolution approving the Retailers Forum by the Department of Trade and Industry on October 15 and 17, 2024 from 9 to 4 o'clock p.m. in the city of Samis. The fourth is resolution approving the house consumer satisfaction feedback survey and dry learning and nutrition involuntary by zero on 12 September 2024 by Kuala on 9 September 2024 by Kerala on 3 October 2024 by Lindro Osamis Water District. The fifth written request is for us to pass a resolution approving conduct the class grant release to the 5,408 RCCT purpose divisions to non-government class cards in 51 barangays of Samis City on the period 20 September 2024 to October 6, 2024. The sixth written request of the chair is for us to enact a resolution authorizing the state to enter into a contract with the construction and improvement of store fence and gate of Andrea de Cusinera in the sport with the Barangwala of our state, money the construction of back post to the COVID and system. Finishing at back school Sit life active under the base of the program 2024 and to perform tasks for the competition of the body. And then request number 7 is for us to pass a resolution approving the local certificate to enter into a contract with the certificate of pathway and drainage system. We are the general in the sport like what else is the transaction declared. Rehabilitation, maintenance, school buildings, structures, drainage system, pathways, other service program. This is a digital fund of 2024 and propose us for rehabilitation of the party. The request for it, Council is to authorize the charge of 2024 citizens of the rivers under membership those to the current officials and elected League of Cities, Commission of News and Television Provision under the state programs and budgets. City Manager Office in amount 200,000 pesos. Budget request number 9. Ordinance setting the guidelines to the decision of the office, the local government of Samis, and the creation of the Samis City Advisory Committee, defining its functions and purpose. The request number 10 is a resolution supporting the Department of Public Works and Highways,
Misamis Occidental Second District Engineering Office for the conversion of Samis City Coastal Bypass Road, Samis City, current interior bypass airport link, Samis current Tango Bonifacio Veterano Ecotourism Hinterlands Road, from local roads into national roads. The last but not the least, written request for session number 11, over there is a request for us to pass a resolution authorizing the local executive, Honorable Attorney Henry N.D. Ipuman Jr., to enter into and sign in behalf of Samis City the deed of donation with acceptance for 183 units smart television in favor of the Department of Education Schools Division in Samis City, confirming and notifying any acts in relation dito. Honorable Sir, with this 11 written recommendations, I move to approve the agenda for the day on joint motion, Honorable Sir.
There's a joint motion by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader for the approval of our agenda for today with 11 questions as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 6, approval of the minutes of the previous sessions. Everybody was furnished copies of the minutes of our regular sessions on August 5 and August 13, 2024. And I guess everybody was able to peruse and examine the contents thereof, Honorable Chair. Therefore, I move the motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes of our previous sessions on August 5 and 13, 2024, and to approve the contents of said minutes in toto, Honorable Chair.
There is a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to dispense the reading of the minutes on August 5 and 13 and be approved of that minutes by this August body. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item number 7, first reading, reference to business of letter A, proposed ordinances. Number 1, from the list of Honorable Cecil Yoko, an ordinance integrating the payment of barangay clearance fee into unified permitting process on city level along with other fees. And number 2, an ordinance amending section 4A-.06 of ordinance number 1059-13, otherwise known as the revised Revenue Code of Samis City, for the purpose of establishing guidelines in the grant of qualified grace period and final extension of progress permit renewal applications. Honorable Sir, this ordinance is being sponsored by Honorable Co. Our ordinances are required by the DILG. In fact, there are seminars in Cagayan-de-Oro participated by Honorable Silco and Honorable Catherine Lim in accordance with our mandate to help the LGU in the conduct of compliance of the law on ease of doing business in Samis City, Honorable Chair. So, in the absence of Honorable Chair Lico, the Committee on Laws and the Committee on Finance Application yield to Honorable Catherine Lim to endorse for proceeding these two ordinances, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Catherine Lim is now recognized by the Chair to pass these two proposed ordinances.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass these these ordinances on joint motion, an ordinance integrating the payment of barangay clearance fees into unified permitting process on the city level along with other city fees, and an ordinance amending section 4A 06 of ordinance number 1059-13, otherwise known as the Revised Revenue Code of Ozamis, for the purpose of establishing guidelines in the grant of the qualified grace period and final extension for business permit renewal application. Since this need a thorough discussion, I would like to pass this for first reading only, Madam Chair.
These two proposed ordinances of Honorable Cecil Ko is being passed by the Honorable Catherine Lim to pass this on the first reading and be referred to the appropriate committee for discussions. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Item B, Association none. Item C, petitions for request for first reading. Number 1, 2024 budget number 2, Barangay Malaubang, in the amount of 340,000 pesos, duly endorsed by the City Budget Officer for approval. I now yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, Honorable John Carlo Morlon, to introduce and recommend action on this particular item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable John Carlo Moralion is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Majority Floor. Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass the 2024 supplemental budget number 2 of Barangay Malaubang, the amount of 340,000, passing for first reading with reservation, Madam Chair.
Move for first reading by the Honorable Moralion. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Considering the urgency of the said supplemental budget of Barangay Malaubang, I would like to pass for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution from Barangay Malaubang, Honorable John Moralion is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Letter D, Messages Communications. Number 1, Resolution number 2024-5141, the Secunang Panliligan of Nueva Vizcaya. A resolution urging all Secunang Panliligan, Secunang Panlungsod, Secunang Bayan, and Secunang Barangay to express collective support to House Bill number 10314, entitled An Act Rationalizing the Benefits and Privileges of Senior Citizens and Persons with Disabilities. With due respect to the Committee on Senior Citizens, chaired by Honorable Yoko, who is not around, Honorable Chair, may I recommend to this August body for us to adopt this resolution of the Secunang Panliligan of Nueva Vizcaya, which aims to rationalize the benefits and privileges of senior citizens and persons with disabilities. So, with that, unless there are other comments from my colleagues, I move the motion to concur and adopt this resolution number 2024-5141 of the Secunang Panliligan of Nueva Vizcaya. Our resolution representing collective support to House Bill number 10314, entitled An Act Rationalizing the Benefits and Privileges of Senior Citizens and Persons with Disabilities, for approval in the first reading with reservations, Honorable Chair.
There is a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to concur and adopt and be passed this on the first reading. An act rationalizing the benefits and privileges of senior citizens and persons with disabilities. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Due to the demand of public interest and to rationalize the benefits and privileges for our senior citizens and persons with disabilities in Osamis City also. Honorable Chair, I move the motion to adopt and concur with the resolution number 2024-5141 of the Supreme Legal of Nueva Vizcaya, an act to support the House Bill number 10314 entitled an act rationalizing the benefits and privileges of senior citizens and persons with disabilities for approval on second and final reading, waiving the eternal laws. Honorable Chair.
Move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to adopt and concur this proposed resolution from Sangguniang Barangay to approve this, to support this House Bill number 10314 entitled an act rationalizing the benefits and privileges of senior citizens and persons with disabilities. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 2, the LG Region Team Memorandum dated September 2, 2024 with subject invitation to LGOs to doing business forum 2024 via Zoom platform. This invitation for the business forum via Zoom platform is scheduled to be held on September 24, 2024 from 8 o'clock in the morning to 3 o'clock in the afternoon on a hybrid setup. Honorable Chair, this is all public officials required and recommended to attend are all mayors, vice mayors, Sangguniang representative, basic permit and licensing officers, building officials, and treasurers of cities and municipalities are enjoined to attend this forum. In our case, perhaps, Honorable Cecil Co and Honorable Catherine Lim, who have been attending the AODB seminars in Cagayan may be encouraged by the LGO to also attend this forum via Zoom platform, Honorable Chair. In the meantime, with this information, I recommend that in the meantime the LG memorandum be duly noted in the record City Council, Honorable Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Majority Floor Leader. Manifested by the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to take an active participation for this invitation to all NGOs participating to the Ease of Doing Business Forum 2024 via Zoom platform. Move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader that we may participate actively in this particular forum and this be duly noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Number 3, General Fund, statement of cash flows and other financial statements and balances which are duly available at the Office of Secretary of Sangguniang, and anybody could demand waste production, Honorable Chair, at any time. In the meantime, I recommend that these statements of cash flows and others be duly noted in the record of City Council, Honorable Chair.
Yes, we are in a receipt of this financial report from the Office of the City Accountant, and we are all advised if should we wish to say, refer to this report, we may refer that to the Office of the Secretary of the Office of the Sangguniang Panglungsod. Noted.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. There are no pending matters on my table under item number 8, committee report submitted. Item number 9, please proceed to letter C, whereby we have 11 approved sessions, Honorable Chair. And may start with the first approved session. Number 1, resolution approving the Indigenous Peoples mandatory representative, IPMR selection process activities by the Sabanan tribe in Asami City. I yield to the chairman of the Committee on Indigenous Peoples, Honorable Ding Siso, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Dinky Suiso is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair, and our Majority Floor Leader. This humble representation, Madam Chair, would like to pass a resolution approving the Indigenous Peoples Mandatory Representative or IPMR selection process activities by the Sabanan tribe in Ozami City. On first reading, Madam Chair, with reservation.
For first reading with reservations, motion approved.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. On that premise, I would like to pass this resolution with considering that the Sabanan tribe, through the city chieftain, Ms. Relinda A. Bation, sent a consultative letter to the city mayor for the conduct of the Indigenous Peoples Mandatory Representative selection process activities by the Sabanan tribe in Ozami City. Thus, would like to pass it on second, third, and final reading, waiving the internal rules on joint motion.
Manifested by the Honorable Suiso to pass this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. This resolution approving the Indigenous Peoples Mandatory Representative or the IPMR selection process activities by the Sabanan tribe in Ozami City. Move for its approval on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Appropriation number 2, a resolution approving the field data collection for the September 2024 labor force survey by the Philippine Statistics Authority in Barangay Manaca for the period 11 to 30 September 2024. Honorable Chair, I yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Labor, Honorable Saulo Salvador, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Saulo Salvador is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Mr. Majority Floor Leader. Thank you, Madam Chair. I move to pass a resolution approving the field data collection for the September 2024 labor force survey by the Philippine Statistics Authority in Barangay Manaca for the period of September 11 to September 30, 2024 on first reading with reservation. Madam
For
Chair.
first reading with reservations, motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For the urgency of this activity, I move this resolution on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency
you,
of
Madam
this
Chair.
week's resolution, the Honorable Saulo Salvador is passing this on the second and final reading. This resolution approving the field data collection for the September 2024 labor force survey by the Philippine Statistics Authority or the PSA in Barangay Manaca for the period of September 11 to 30, 2024. Approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Appropriation number 3, a resolution approving the Retailers Forum by the Department of Trade and Industry, October 10 and 17, 2024 from 9 to 4 p.m. in the city of Samis, Honorable Chair. And I yield to Chairman of the Committee on Trade, Commerce and Industry, Honorable Catherine C. Lim, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Catherine Lim is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass a resolution approving the Retailers Forum by the Department of Trade and Industry on October 10 and 17, 2024 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the city of Ozamis for first reading with reservation.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Due to its urgency, I would like to pass this on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Lim is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 4, a resolution approving the house-to-house customer satisfaction feedback survey and barangay gathering and consultation in Barangay Bayadero on 12 September 2024, Barangay Aguada on 19 September 2024, and Barangay Karangan on 03 October 2024 by the Metro Osamis Water District. Annual to Chairman of the Committee on Public Utilities, Honorable Archie Ramiro, to introduce and recommend action on this item, Madam Chair.
The Honorable Archie Romero is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. Madam Chair, I move to pass this resolution approving the house-to-house customer satisfaction feedback survey and barangay gathering and consultation in Barangay Banyadiro on September 12, 2024, Barangay Aguada on 19 September 2024, and Barangay Karangan on 3 October 2024 by the Metro Osamis Water District mode, Madam Chair. I move to passing this for first reading with reservation.
Move for first reading this proposed resolution by the Honorable Romero with reservation. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. In the interest of public service, Madam Chair, and public demand, I move to pass this for second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
The Honorable Romero is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules due to public demand. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Any comment? Remarks? Hearing none, motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 5, a resolution approving the conduct of the cash grant release for the 5,408 CCT 4-piece beneficiaries through LVP cash cards in the 51 barangays of Osamis City from the period 20 September 2024 and to October 6, 2024. Honorable Chair, I yield to the Chairman of the Committee on Social Services and Community Development, Honorable Sani Waminal Jr. to introduce and recommend action on this item, Honorable Chair.
The Honorable Waminal is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. This humble representation would like to move a resolution approving conduct of cash grant release for the 5,408 RCCT 4-piece beneficiaries through LBP cash cards in the 51 barangays of Osamis City from the period of 20 September 2024 to 6 October 2024. Be approved for first reading with reservation, Madam Chair, on joint motion.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For the sake of public welfare and given its utmost urgency, may I therefore move that the same be approved on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules of this sanggunian. Thank you.
Due to the urgency of this request resolution, the Honorable Waminal is passing this on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules. Is there any comment? Remarks? Hearing none. Motion approved on the second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Upon session number 6 will be read together with upon session number 7, Honorable Chair. The two resolutions being having to belong to one committee only. Number 6, appropriation resolution authorizing the local executive to enter into a contract for the construction and improvement of school fence and gate of Andrea de Sonera Elementary School located at Barangay Aguada, Osamis City, funded by the construction of a guard post with complete lighting system, fencing at back of school, street light item under the Peace and Order Program 2024 and to perform all acts for the implementation of the project. Number 7, appropriation is also a resolution authorizing the local executive to enter into a contract for the concreting of pathway and the system of Andia de Cosonora in the school at Barangay Guadao, Sama City, funded by the construction, repair, rehabilitation, maintenance of school buildings, structure, drainage system, pathways, and other facilities program, the Special Education Fund of 2024 and the probable acts for the implementation of the project. This to Resolution, Honorable Chair, I yield to the wisdom the Chairman of the Committee on Public Works and Infrastructure, Honorable Saulo Sabidor, to introduce and recommend omnibussly these two resolutions, Honorable Chair, number 6 and number 7.
The Honorable Saulo Salvador is now recognized by the Chair for the appropriate motion on items number 6.